Okay, hi guys, I'm Jennifer Bierman, and my problem that I'm going to show you how to solve is from Joe Bowler's website. It's 9 colors, and so the object of this activity is to create a kind of Rubik's Cube type of shape that has 27 cubes in all, and none of the cubes are seen, none of the colors are seen twice on each of the sides. So when I gave this to my students, they obviously didn't have an understanding of maybe how to problem solve this mathematically. So I just let them go ahead and do guess and check. After a while, again, so I need to have 3 of each color and 9 total colors. So here's some just guess and check, and then maybe like the first clue that I will give them is to maybe just think about having a color in each of the bottom, middle, and top rows, and then thinking about what will affect the middle cube and what color would I choose to go in the middle. So in solving this, problem-solving strategy that I would suggest to my students, if you can see this, is to build sets of 3. And in building sets of 3, I notice that I have white in the top, middle, and bottom rows. Similarly, a yellow in the bottom, top, and middle. And then my other colors like that as well. So I suggested that they try that, and then I was able to create one of the faces like this one here, and so I have this shape, something like this. Go ahead and try to orientate so that you have like one white in each of the bottom rows, and you're just now moving around 9 things instead of moving around 27 things. You could also think about it in terms of like the layers here. If you notice in this layer, my middle layer would have the black buried, and that's because each of the colors are going to show up 6 times because it's 6-sided. So this bottom black tile actually has 1, 2, 3 faces already shown, and then on the back side, this one also has 3. So in order to make that one work, you needed to have that black other one buried. Otherwise, each color will have 6 faces shown. So for instance, this front green one has 1, 2, 3 right here, which means one of these green ones has to be in the middle, which is in this one here. And then I have this one so that it actually works. But there is my shape and my strategies for solving. Other times I have another example of one where the kids just kind of guessed and checked and they got it to work, but they didn't use the same strategy that I suggested. So you can see here that I have a yellow, purple, green, but if I follow over here, I don't have yellow, purple, green. They managed to get this one put together using just a guess and check kind of strategy. And that's my video. I hope you enjoyed, and you can maybe try this with your kids.